Good. It's been a minute. Good minute. Y'all already know excuses. I know. I've been focusing on school more than YouTube lately because a nigga gotta lock in and I don't want to repeat the same grade. I got sick not too long ago too. You know what I'm saying? Just in the bed. Are you joking? Y'all already know what to do if it react to it on the anime. It's not a new anime. Y'all already know this anime is a well-known anime in this channel, in this Chainsaw Man. We was on episode 8. This season has 12 episodes. I'm still kind of like messed up right now with my sinuses and the coughing, but I'm doing good. I can record, I can get up. But like if I sneeze, sniff, or like cough, ignore it, please, please.
What's that?
I need some water.
That nigga over here like SpongeBob.
Water!
I need it. Oh. Nigga said water. It's gonna be even. He gonna be even more parched.
Wanna do it?
Alright, bro. They gonna lead us to the intro. I'm not even trying to get copyright. Hold on. Copyright. Ooh. Wait. Hold up. Why am I saying woo? Didn't we just go over case or no case? What is we doing, Chad?
But this chick blew chunks all over that. Do I really want my first time to be with her, too? Huh? Yes!
You said yes, knowing you. I don't think I can show this scene.
Let's get him off, Kay.
Yeah, we gonna skip this scene. Sure.
Huh?
We gonna cut it up.
You got something in your pocket.
Why is you worried about the pocket?
I probably had the shittiest first kiss ever. So even if I kiss a bunch of girls from here on out, will they all taste like vomit?
Open your mouth.
Dude, fix your posture. I'm tired that.
I doubt you'll ever forget. Don't worry, though. Life comes in a wide variety of flavors. With each passing day, you'll experience different ones. And every new experience will make it that much harder to recall that puke. For example, you just had your first indirect kiss. And it tastes like cola-flavored Chupa Chups.
Bro, that shit was weak as a— Sorry. I want Miss Makima to be my first. So sex is gonna have to wait till I kill the gun devil.
Still on business this time.
Did I happen to take advantage of you?
Think I'd do it with Gagzilla? I'm saving my first time for Miss Makima.
Thank God, that's a relief. My ass would be in jail for doing that with a minor, super quick.
That's what I'm saying. Case or no case. I'm not slow. Wasn't born yesterday. I knew my info, my information, my evidence,
So, you're serious about getting with Miss Makima?
Yes.
All
What
right,
have you
nigga.
learned her true character?
Wait. All right, nigga. He did not just say it like that. Go back.
Yay.
Cool. Then I'll act as your matchmaker and help hook you guys up.
Yeah?
Totally. Why not? In fact, let's form a secret alliance, you and I. I'll work my wing woman magic on you and Makima, and you help me lock down Aki.
So we doing like a two-man basically. Hold up. So we doing like a two-man swap, switcheroo, Savisky. I put you on, you put me on, and we locked in. Ain't no switching up type two-man. Just know. You feel me? I'm putting Aki on blast.
What do you like about him anyway?
He's hot.
Well,
Wait, pause. Wait, I wasn't agreeing.
Come have breakfast once in a while, and bring your roommates with you.
Why can't I just bring Aki?
Team C, do you copy? We are a go.
That wasn't a dream. That wasn't a dream. That wasn't a fantasy. That wasn't hallucination. It was an illusion. It was none of that. That was the real thing, Michael. Wait, Maki. Did I just see the red-haired Makima get packed up towards the end of the season? Did I just witness a plot twist? Or do I gotta end the show? Do I gotta end the...
So what if he was a Yakuza guy? He still had principles. Ever hear of necessary evil? Because that's what he was. He only killed a handful of women and children. And I know he liked kids well enough since he spoiled me rotten with the money he made from dealing. He was what you'd call a real Tokyoite. And everybody loved him. Denji, you loved him as well, didn't you?
Alright, the fuck do you want? You know him?
What you should know. So the gun devil is after your heart.
Ooh, good uppercut.
Aki Hayakawa, you've put quite the abomination in my mouth this time. It's neither human nor devil.
Wait, just chill. Pause. Just pause. No. Why is everybody dying? First, I see Makima and whoever she was with just got marked off the rip on the train. Then we're slowly but protrudely just moving off her pocket, or whatever she got it from, jacket pocket, rising it up the pole, taking out that one girl and that one nigga that I don't really like, so I could low-key celebrate their deaths. But now we got Denji and Himeno getting packed up.
Fire!
3.
Fire!
2.
What's she count down for? What's the countdown for?
Fire!
1.
What a creepy shit is that?
Curse! Finish it now!
0.
What was all that?
How's Himeno?
She requires a medical practitioner.
Damn it. That bastard had a gun.
You worrying about her? Let's worry about
Would
the
it be
MC.
possible for devil hunters and cops to obtain them in Japan?
Let's worry about the
What
MC.
you should know. So the gun devil is after your heart.
First of all, we have to get Himeno to a
The
doctor.
curse devil, huh? Stab someone with that oversized nail enough times and they die. Is that the gist of it? You've got some pretty impressive moves.
Where'd you come from? You in league with him?
Do you know why you lost?
I had my guard down, like all the way.
Better kill him this time, then.
So that's a knife. I'm like, an oversized knife is basically a sword, so.
I will not. Awful girl. I don't like her.
Girl, somebody help her. Help Denji. Rev up his chest. Rev it up.
I'll give you everything that I've got in exchange. So, give me everything you've got, too. Aki is still capable of crying.
Did you?
Oh, hell no. Oh, hell no. Hell to the no. Dad just encouraged me to stay up all night. I can't go to sleep after I saw that. I mean, y'all think I'm trolling. Y'all think, like, this. Y'all think this laughs and giggles. I'm not giggling. I'm not laughing.
When the rookies he was looking after bit the dust. Having someone care for you enough to cry like that must be nice.
A little help here. Nah, but you're cooked.
Best not die. Got that, Aki? Because when I finally go,
Your legs, man.
you can cry for me.
Snake, swallow it. Return.
Return. Wait, what?
Return.
Tell me which part where it made sense. Here we go. I'm just confused. Everything is just like, I'm at loss of words for real. Like, I actually got a lot to talk about, like why did Makima get shot up? Where did Himino? Well, I probably already know where Himino went. Denji, he still, got a bullet to the head. Nobody didn't rev up his engine. If his engine were to be revved during that situation, Himino probably be still alive right now. You know what I'm saying? No. Aki wanna whip out his big fat Excalibur knife. Think he's Sasuke, but he got sauced up. No. I wanna watch episode 9, but I'm tired. If y'all like this video, make sure y'all like, subscribe to the post notifications. Comment down, show me what to do next, and I'm out.